Welcome back. This is the Outdoo Coaching Room, where we break down what's actually happening inside the customer conversations and what actually drives performance. So today we are going to look at why new sales reps take so long to ramp, what slows them down, and 7 simple strategies that actually help reps get productive faster. Most teams, they don't have a training problem, they have a ramp problem. New reps go through weeks and weeks of onboarding, product training, call reviews, and they still struggle on the real calls because knowing what to say is not same as being able to say it. So if you want reps to ramp faster, don't simply add more training. Change the way they practice. Don't start with theory, right? Start with real calls, real conversations. Let them see what actually happens. Focus on one skill at a time. Don't teach them everything together, right? On the first day, just the opening call, and later handling objections. Just keep it very, very focused. Practice before live calls. Before rep gets on the real call, they should practice the same scenario first. Even a 10 to 15 minutes of practice makes a lot of difference. Repeat the same scenario, right? Most teams, they move on too quickly. Instead, repeat the same situation. Do it again and again until it feels very natural. Give very simple feedback. Do not overload reps, right? 1 to 2 things to improve every session. Make practice frequent, not once in a while, few times a week. Short sessions but consistent. Then connect your practice to the real calls. And this is the most important one. What your reps actually practice should show up in real conversations, otherwise it doesn't stick. So if your reps are taking too long to ramp, don't look at how much you're training them, right? Look at how often they are actually practicing. That is what drives speed. The teams that ramp faster are not doing more sessions. They are building a system where reps practice regularly and improve on the real calls. And that's exactly the problem we have been focused on at Outdoo, making practice consistent and connected to real performance. If this resonated, please subscribe. And if you want to see what it actually looks like in practice, go and check out our playground, and the link is in the description below.